I have a blue Max opener, model 12A, and a Genie keypad model #GKR, part number 37332R. I cannot program the keypad to work with the opener. Customer service says there is no model 12A. Ideas? Thanks.
Welcome. My name is would be glad to assist. Based on your blue Max opener, there should be either 9 or 12 dip switches for setting the frequency on the opener. Look on the opener and see if you find some slide switches. I suspect a 12-row, but some were 9. Do you have any remotes used with the opener? If so, remove the batteries and look inside to verify it has the small slide switches. Let me know and we can continue, thanks.
You haven't answered my question yet on how to program the keypad.
Please provide the answers to my questions and I can give you information. Here it is again. Look on the opener and see if you find some slide switches. I suspect a 12-row, but some were 9. Do you have any remotes used with the opener? If so, remove the batteries and look inside to verify it has the small slide switches.
Remotes have the corresponding switches, but I am talking about the keypad. The remotes function normally. How can I program the keypad to work with the opener? The keypad has no switches.
Okay, that is why I needed confirmation. Thanks. The keypad unfortunately will not work with your opener. The keypad you have is made for openers with a button on the rear for a learning procedure. You will need a switch setting keypad. The Genie opener would use this keypad. Click here. If you look at this page here, you will see that they refer to the above keypad because the original Genie for yours is obsolete due to age. Some info on why they told you there is no model 12A. 12A refers to a retail model internal receiver, indicating GPT-90 controls and has slide switches. Older units had some variations in them on the controls inside and why the 12A gets varying information.
Appreciate the help. We'll proceed with your advice. Thanks.
Okay, very good, glad to be of assistance. Thanks for the rating, it is appreciated.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.